Insta-back gives you an easy way to quickly repair holes without cutting back to the stud.
First, measure the hole and cut a piece of drywall at least 1/2 inch larger than the hole's dimensions. Then cut a square the same size as the drywall patch around the damaged area, removing any excess material. Next, place Insta-back clips on all 4 sides of the hole and screw through the wall into the clips approximately 3/4 of an inch from the edge. Drive screws into the replacement drywall opposite the existing screws, approximately 3/4 of an inch from the seam. Then break off the Insta-back tabs by wiggling them back and forth. Finish as you would any drywall seam for a repair that is as strong as the original wallboard.
You can get this same great look whether you're repairing holes from plumbing or electrical access, joining 2 pieces of wallboard off the stud, or installing a ceiling. The Prest-On Insta-back can do it all, easily, quickly, and cheaper than other methods.